Within the metal cutting machine tool industry, Youji Machine Industrial Company stands apart. Since our start and over the next 30 years, Youji has maintained a broad vision informed by detailed observations. We constantly challenge ourselves, innovate new technology, and open the future. With a proven track record of strong leadership in the industry, Youji enjoys an excellent reputation from our customers and agents alike. With our special use machines, vertical and horizontal lathes, vertical and horizontal machining centers, quality, R&D, technology, and post-sales service are all equally important links in the Youji chain. All our machines have achieved international standards. Our CNC lathes, regardless of model, capabilities, productivity, or marketability, exhibit excellent performance and hold a decisive position within the machine tool industry. Youji vertical lathes easily accomplish manufacture of large, thin, and irregular workpieces. Because the workpiece sits vertically, the workpiece and cutting tool work in concert with short processing time and no horizontal inertia that can lead to roundness issues. Youji has 72 makes and models of vertical lathes available, with workpiece clamping ranges from 200 to 500 millimeters, offering turning, milling, drilling, boring, tapping, and grinding in one integrated vertical lathe. Youji's multi-purpose design optimizes operation for the lowest investment and satisfies many different levels of customer requirements. Youji's horizontal lathes all possess very high rigidity, efficiency, and accuracy. A single bed and frame of high-grade cast iron provides a slant bed for sturdy support and low center of gravity that guarantees stability and easy chip removal. A high-precision curved coupling guarantees tool turret accuracy. These are the right machines for the times, delivering all machining aspects in one machine. Performance is in the details. Youji constantly researches and develops new advancements in large-scale horizontal lathes and horizontal machining centers. Thanks to these efforts, the entire series has received positive evaluations from users. Spindles on Youji's vertical machining centers are designed for heavy cutting and equipped with heavy-duty ball bearings. The machines are equipped with box guideways and reinforced structural rigidity, as well as enhanced heavy cutting capabilities. Youji can provide complete cutting tool setups to satisfy the most complicated cutting requirements and solve the most difficult problems. Youji's horizontal machining centers, HMC series, are the ultimate in design. Our box-in-box structure creates very rigid columns on this machine, while the dual ball screw and dual servo motor design ensures high-speed positioning, high accuracy, and high stability. 3-axis roller-type linear guideways guarantee precision, rigidity, and speed on all sides, conforming to the high level of demands made of today's machines. The YM series is especially suited for high production automobile parts manufacturing. This product is the result of successful R&D in cooperation with Japanese high-tech companies. With the front dimensions of only 1.5 meters, this machine fits today's trends of convenient and continuous automatic manufacturing systems within the high production environment. Youji Industrial integrates vertical lathes and horizontal machining for use in third-party aluminum wheel production lines, Considering the large amount of chips created during the production of aluminum wheel, our newest designs solve the original problem of slide table cover for chip removal. Combined with long working lifespan, high rigidity, accuracy, and cutting speeds, these machines successfully improve customer satisfaction across the board. Youji Machine Industrial Company Limited has been making deep inroads in the transportation, energy, electricity, mining, and construction industries for more than 30 years. The company implements consistent design practices with professional machine manufacturing technology, including production, cutting tool, and tool setup planning, to provide comprehensive, specialized technology and service of turnkey projects. We are our customers' most trusted partner. Every year, Youji heavily reinvests in the company to enhance our research and development strength. We believe R&D is the lifeblood of industry. Youji Industrial's world-class R&D team does 3-year phase planning as well as short and mid-term research plans. The company sets target dates for product completion and prepares survey reports to continuously upgrade and improve equipment efficiency. Youji maintains an unshakable stance on precision, flawlessly adhering to product requirements. To ensure this, the company employs a huge range of precision testing equipment and insists on strong employee training. In 1997, we became CE, EMC, and ISO 9001 certified. Quality builds a reputation, and that reputation ensures quality. With an exacting attitude, every one of Youji's products will stand the test of time.
日本は工作界において、過去数十年、世界のトップを走ってきました。それは何よりも品質管理、徹底したアフターメンテ、それができてきたからだと思います。
The results of these machines in Sweden are very, very good and promising for the future. I have now several projects on my visit here to Youji this time, including a customer. And we are very positive for the future together with Youji.
Customer satisfaction is Youji's greatest concern. With a global perspective and implementing a spirit of sustainable business via a fast, borderless service network, we are available across 36 countries. As our service and quality will bear witness to, Youji customers regard us as trustworthy and supportive.
Our customers are choosing Youji machine because Youji machine means without problem machine.
Youji kalitesiyle uzun süre çalışmayı hedefliyoruz. Türkiye pazarında daha iyi makineler ve daha çok Youji makine satmayı hedefliyoruz. Teşekkür ederim.
Youji stands out from the other Taiwanese builders because they provide a solution and technology, not just the machine tool.
Honesty is trust and respect. Responsibility is a sense of mission and duty. Innovation is challenges and breakthroughs. Honesty, responsibility, and innovation set Youji apart from the rest. Constantly improving and the pursuit of perfection. These are at the heart of Youji's business beliefs and culture. Constant innovation creates a win-win situation for Youji and our customers. Our duty is to work endlessly for industry to achieve the final goal of giving back to society. Within the machine tool integration domain, Youji Industrial has an abundance of skills and experience, a consistent service system, an excellent track record of quality and high-capacity performance, and has shared development and growth with our customers. A comprehensive survey shows Youji has experienced 40% growth every year for the time period 2000 to 2006. This is the actual proof of Youji's leadership position in the machine tool industry. From a global perspective, Machine Tool Integration Services. Youji is your optimum partner to develop international markets.